Creating with code. Today, Maya is starting something exciting. With Momo by her side, she's ready to learn how to create her very own game using code. Momo explains that with coding blocks, Maya can make characters move, play sounds, and even change backgrounds. It's like building a story one block at a time. Maya combines motion, sound, and visuals. Her cat character jumps, dances, and says meow. All because of her smart coding blocks. To make her game interactive, Maya adds a start button and repeats actions. Every time a star is touched, the score goes up. Maya adds game rules. If you collect 5 stars, you win. If you collect none, it's time to try again. This is called game logic, win or lose based on what happens. Using her creativity, Maya changes the background. Now, her game happens in space. She controls the whole world of her game with code. Maya has made a fun and interactive game with moving parts, sounds, and win-lose actions, all using block-based coding. Great job, Maya!